Good morning, everybody. The Florida driver here, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about, having a backup plan, having a second income besides just Uber, and especially whenever you're semi-retired or retired or you or not. I drive a lot for Uber, but when the kids leave and go on summer vacation from Florida State University, I find myself, you know, having to go to Panama City Beach, Destin, Jacksonville, and get down where, there's vacationers, and I do tourists instead of college students. But having a second income, this is one of the things I do. It's not all I do, but this is one of the things I do. I grow super hot peppers. So I'm going to give you a little look at some of the things that I do. And right there, these right here are some babies. And I sowed seeds because I had plenty of seeds. You can see the squirrels actually are devastating they're killing some of my ghost peppers. But these were sown in a big bucket, which is over here. And you mark everything. And over here, you can see how I have hundreds and hundreds of ghost peppers up, and I can choose which ones I want. A little bucket of potatoes just for fun. But out there is where it'll be happening. There's the Uber mobile. And so anyway, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on doing it a little different. I have some of these Jiffy peat moss. You get them at Walmart, $3.30, something like that, $3.21, something like that. You get 36 of them. I don't use them a lot because I don't need to, because I buy a professional potting mix from a nursery, a local nursery where I know some people. And so what I get is a hydroponic grade potting mix. It's sand, peat moss, and pine bark. And so as you can see, it's black gold. It looks good. And I use that, and I put a manure with it sometimes mushroom compost. But I try to keep it simple. I put a 1-year fertilizer in it or a 6-month fertilizer in it. I use Miracle Grow a lot, and with the hydroponics, you can see how this is broke down pretty good because this is used. I don't buy the professional grade because I'm going to doctor it anyway. But anyway, this is what I'm going to use for my 3 gallons. It'll be hydroponically grown in the front yard. I have 2 lots here at this area and 1.5 acres in another area. And so, well, actually it's 1.125 acres, I believe. But as you can see, I have some red habaneros. Those red habanero seeds, I'm going to use peat. So to let you know, this is a peat pellet, very small. You take it, and whenever you get ready to plant, you drop it in water, plop, and then about an hour later, it comes out like that. So what I have here is peat pellets. I'm getting ready to make myself a little mini greenhouse. As you can see, I had a salad. I'll peel that off. I had a salad. I ate the salad. Now I've got this. When I close this, as I close this down, and I decide whether or not I want to keep it closed or shut. Now, if I keep it closed, it'll as the water evaporates, it'll drop back down, and I won't have to rewater and water and water and water. But if I get it too hot and put it in full sun, it's going to be too hot and it might kill the seeds. So I won't put this in full sun. I'll have this in some partial shaded area. I'll never let the full sun get to it, but the light will get to it. And then when they pop, I will have to keep a close eye on them. But I will have these peat moss, because I do so many of them. I will have these going in pots as soon as they show me signs of life. They won't stay in this this small greenhouse for very long. They will move out of this small greenhouse as soon as they show me signs of life, and I'll replace them with something that hadn't been used. But to make it real simple, you're taking, I left off right here, and you're taking, just get a pencil. The pencil works. You see how it's a little dirty right now because I've already done some. But you take this pencil, you stick it down in here, you get it a little wet, then you reach over here and you just touch the seed that you want. And since I got so many seeds, you just See how that seed's on there? Take that seed and then you just wipe it off down in there about a 1/4 inch deep, and then take the peat and cover it up. And that is a done deal. That's how easy it is, and anybody can do it. And you can test drive these. Now, if these peat moss pellets dry out, you don't have a plant. You'll have to start all over. So keep in mind that you want to keep, if you cover it, it won't need to be rewatered. If you don't cover it, you'll have to keep a close eye on it. You can start this in the winter and do it inside. And good luck with your gardening. And the Florida driver's got to make money doing something else sometimes. Y'all have a good day.